The Signstek smart door lock represents a leap forward in home security, seamlessly blending cutting-edge technology with the fundamental need for safety. In this video, we'll explore the key features that make the Signstek smart door lock a reliable and advanced choice for safeguarding homes. The touchscreen keypad design has good performance in that it avoids problems caused by unstable physical buttons. The blue backlight enables you to enter passwords more easily even in the dark. The Signstek smart door lock comes with users-friendly functions, so you can create any random digits in front of or behind the correct password so that you do not have to worry about being watched nearby when you input the password. This smart door lock comes with a mechanical key. You just insert the mechanical key and turn it clockwise, and the electronic door lock will open easily. The Signstek smart door lock comes with the changeable door handle that the door lock can be used on left and right. The door lock is applied to be used in all kinds of the doors with upscale appearance. Before we move ahead, please subscribe our channel and hit the bell notification icon for more product review videos.
Today I'll be trying out the Signstek electronic touchscreen door lock. This is the perfect device to add security and convenience to your home. It comes with 6 major components that are easy to assemble. The touchscreen keypad has a blue backlight, so you can see it easily at night. And it even works with gloves. If the battery dies on the keypad, you can always use a mechanical key. Installation was simple and took only 10 minutes. We'll start things off by removing the old door handle. Don't forget to take out the old door latch as well. 2 screws and some elbow grease will do it. Inspect the new door latch and make sure it's working properly. We'll insert it the same way the old door latch came out. Put in 2 brand new door latch screws. Make sure these are nice and snug so the latch doesn't come loose. Next, we're going to install the keypad to the outside of the door. Before we do that, we need to put the handle on correctly. This handle can install in either direction, which is a really nice feature. Once the handle is on properly, you can tighten it down with this Allen screw. Insert the keypad through the small square stub in the latch. Everything should fit together snugly. Now we're going to install the fixed pad to the inside of the door. Make sure the arrow facing up is at the top of the fixed pad. Make sure these screws are nice and tight. This will keep the keypad from coming loose. Grab and inspect the connection wire. It'll connect to the back of the base plate, which is held down by 3 screws. Make sure nothing's blocking the connection ports, then connect these 2 wires together. You know it's on right when you hear it click into place. Slip on the base plate. Then we're going to remove the battery cover so we can install the 3 screws. Make sure not to install these screws too tightly, or you can crack the base plate. Just tighten these down till they stop turning. Nothing more, nothing less. This keypad is powered by 4 AAA batteries. It's very efficient, and the battery life is great. Install the inside handle just like we did with the exterior. Tighten that Allen screw and make sure the handle turns freely. The inside handle gets this cool little cap, which really helps finish the look of the handle. It snaps right in and can be removed with a screwdriver. Lastly, we can install the strike plate, or if we're lucky, we can reuse the existing one. Now the keypad is ready to use. If you input the wrong code, the screen will flash red. To create a personalized passcode, enter the programming code, then select 1. Now you can enter your personalized passcode. Once you finish entering the new passcode, hit the pound sign to save everything. Now the door will open with your personalized passcode. You gotta be quick though. After 5 seconds, the door automatically locks to keep your home safe. And if the batteries ever die, you can always open the door with the mechanical key. One of the best features about this door lock is that it's compatible with most gloves. This is way more convenient than fumbling with a set of keys. If you'd like to learn more about this Signstek door lock, check out the link below and thanks for watching.